This is a short video highlighting a few option parts for the Exotek Racing F1 Ultra R5. Let's start from the back and work our way up to the front. This is a diffuser or extractor for the rear pod. The WIRC F22 has one. The OG and some later Tamiya F104 variants also had one out of the box, so why not complete the car for a more authentic F1 look? The diffuser appears to be a 3D printed part. Let's have a closer look. This is definitively a part produced using an FDM 3D printer. This can be used as is, or finished to smooth out the layer lines, but will also add a bit of weight. I might use this as a pattern to make a laminated carbon fiber part instead. Moving up, we have an HD wing mount in aluminum and carbon fiber to replace the stock injection molded part. And this is the brass wing mount to complete the assembly. For a pod-mounted wing, we have the wing mount from the CarpetWorks variant. This is a replacement for the stock steel axle. The original F1 Ultra had a carbon fiber axle that was prone to cracking in the initial production run that was replaced with a sturdier one for free. This steel axle should be able to hold up to any abuse and mishaps you can throw at it. A lighter option but equally strong is the titanium axle. Both the steel and titanium axles are hollow. A carbon fiber spool is available for the ultimate carpet racers. Moving up from the rear pod, we have a set of springs for the micro shocks that control the roll. The black spring is the softest and the blue spring is the hardest. Option springs for the heave damper are also available, but any 13mm spring will also work. The standard molded plastic composite side links can be replaced with these adjustable straight links that are stronger and have less flex under load, especially on higher grip tracks. The wing plates have 3 mounting holes. The outer mounting holes must be used if installing the battery transversely. I have, so far, not been able to find 3 by 70mm titanium turnbuckles to replace the steel ones that are included. This inline battery lipo strap is the same part that is included in the CarpetWorks variant. For the front suspension, we have a ball-raced anti-roll bar. I am partial to this configuration, as this allows the roll to be slightly decoupled from the heave control. 3 different anti-roll bars are included to fine-tune the roll characteristics. These tube dampers work wonders to tame the front suspension movement. Check out the linked video by Mike Ridwell in the description to see them in action. These trailing axle steering knuckles are different from all the other implementations. These adjustable axles allow -1mm and -2.5mm offsets, and the stock parts are used for 0 offset. These parts are compatible with Tamiya F104, TRF 103, TRF 104, and any car that uses 3mm kinpins. For those looking to convert their regular R5 to the CarpetWorks variant, here is a comparison of the two chassis. The regular chassis is 2.7mm thick, whereas the CarpetWorks version is 3mm. The latter does not have the holes up front to adjust the wheelbase and also has different slots and reliefs. You can pause the video or go to Exotek's website if you want to have a closer look at the two chassis. The very latest tuning option is a 7075 aluminum alloy chassis. It is suitable for loose asphalt or high-grip carpet thanks to the slight weight increase, long wheelbase and stiffer feel over the carbon chassis. The chassis is 2.5mm thick with a 2mm center section to lower the center of gravity. Inline carbon fiber battery guides are included. The number 2251 inline strap shown earlier is required. And that concludes this brief overview of the option parts available for the F1 R5 and CarpetWorks Formula 1 radio control kits by Exotek Racing.